Something major is happening even though the crypto world is quite unstable. Huge moneymen are taking action. To BlackRock, what appears as loss is actually opportunity. They have no intention of giving in. We are rising alongside Shiba Inu as they do. Never before has there been such a strong community, but what am I even referring to? Allow me to provide further clarification. Red flag warning. Today began on a high note, asterisk. A sincere good morning was delivered by Lucy of the Shiba Inu team to get the day started on the right foot. In addition to her warm greeting, she sent an image that captivated everyone. It showed how much more expensive Shiba Inu bone and leash have become. Whenever these prices go up, the whole neighborhood is pumped up. It shows that things are heading in the correct direction and gives people a lot of energy and optimism. It was more of a rallying cry and confidence boost than a simple good morning for everyone partaking in these tokens, according to Lucy's post. Anyone who has bought Shiba Inu, bone, or leash today is getting off to a great start because prices are going up. Such instances keep the community's spirits up and their hope for the future alive. But why are these price reductions really happening? True, a lot of guesswork is occurring. Some attribute it to the fact that, in light of the current market uncertainty, investors are keener than ever to discover fresh opportunities. Some think that new research on the Shiba Inu's ecology might be to blame for the community's renewed enthusiasm. The reality, which was recently discovered among the chaos of the most recent market crash, is something that the titans of the financial world would rather you not know. While most people were fixated on the bad news, a movement is taking shape in the cryptocurrency industry. Whatever came out surprised a lot of investors. According to Arkham Intelligence, BlackRock has taken a risky move that has caught the eye of the financial world. They tweeted something interesting not long ago. Firms such as Fidelity, Grayscale, BlackRock, and MicroStrategy were resilient despite the market downturn. Some individuals are surprised by this claim, even though a lot of investors were selling their coins, even if the average investor may have been fleeing in fear. These huge institutions seem confident enough to stay in the game. They may have faith in the future of Shiba Inu and its tokens, as their decision to hold on to their investments suggests. The neighborhood and the economy might both undergo radical transformations with the help of such influential enterprises. This revelation has the potential to greatly increase interest in the crypto business. Seeing large enterprises standing firm may inspire confidence and curiosity in investors. A lot of people look to these financial giants as indicators of where the market is headed. Assuming these groups remain bullish on the Bitcoin industry, more investors might put their money back into it. What these giants are doing is sending a powerful message. They are not just keeping their interest, but maybe even growing them. This optimism is demonstrated by the remarkable trading activity that has taken place in the past few days. A former user has reported that the daily trade volume of Bitcoin ETFs has hit $5 billion, the highest level in 4 months. Notable among this activity is BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, which has a trading volume of approximately $3 billion. Both the demand for Bitcoin and the growing interest in BlackRock's cryptocurrency strategy are demonstrated by this astounding statistic. Their asset growth of $172 million shows that people are paying attention. This volume may influence the wider cryptocurrency market and bring even more focus to tokens like Shiba Inu, but it also indicates strong faith in Bitcoin's future. It is clear from these numbers that the excitement surrounding cryptocurrencies is far from over. What is interesting and indicative of BlackRock's strategy is how they behave during this downturn. In contrast to the majority, they choose to accumulate assets rather than liquidate them rapidly. Making this decision shows how confident you are in Bitcoin and the future of the cryptocurrency sector. By opting not to sell, BlackRock is showing that they see this fall more as a buying opportunity than a reason to be afraid.
You might think that the
market is going to bounce back, and that increasing their holdings now would lead to better profits in the future. This approach is in line with their standing as savvy institutional investors. Based on the information they know, they likely believe the current prices are low. When making investments, they take a broader view, not merely the immediate one. They may be preparing to take advantage of the inevitable upswing in market sentiment when prices rise by buying more during this slump. Basically, BlackRock is looking at the big picture. They are acting in a way that suggests they believe the Bitcoin market will recover and that it is wise to hold on to more assets right now. This might encourage other investors who are keeping a careful watch on the market, since it shows that even the biggest investors see potential in it despite its present problems. It seems like the Shiba Inu is also doing well, which could be a result of the positive energy at this gathering. Even though the cryptocurrency market fell sharply yesterday, Shiba Inu managed to escape further drops and adding another leading zero to its price. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the price of Shiba Inu went down by over 20%. It seemed like the community support was about to crumble, putting them in a tough spot. However, Shiba Inu mounted an incredible comeback a few hours later, rocketing back up to 0.00414. Keep in mind that Shiba Inu did not trade with 5 leading zeros until the end of February. It swiftly rebounded to achieve this yearly high, despite the fact that many observers thought it might drop to 3 leading zeros. However, that goal has not been achieved just yet. Following that peak, the Shiba Inu witnessed a precipitous fall, the most recent of which was yesterday. It's incredible to see how quickly Shiba Inu bounced back from that setback. More than 20% of its value rose in a single trading day it is now trading. It's important to remember that Shiba Inu is still up 33% for the year so far, even though it fell more than 18% in the past week and 8% in the past month. That Shiba Inu is acting this way right now could be due to the markets overall dynamics or to the upbeat sentiment and confidence shown by key players like BlackRock. The community is hopeful that Shiba Inu will continue to heal and gain momentum in the future as these events take place. The behavior of whales is a clear indication of this growing fascination. The whale trade on Shiba Inu increased by an astonishing 588% in only 48 hours. Despite the overall uncertainty, the price of Shiba Inu was on the rise, rising 28% to a level not seen since March. The buyer's enthusiasm is shown by the long wick on the Shiba Inu price chart, and this spike suggests that they were eager to seize the opportunity. Intel data shows that there was a dramatic increase in the number of large transactions in the last day, reaching 9 trillion Shiba Inu, or about $120 million. This proves the point even more. These figures are based on 185 transactions involving Shiba Inu that totaled $100,000 or more during this time. Clearly, these whales who can set market trends and significantly impact prices have been busy, as they are responsible for the most recent swings and have shown their confidence in Shiba Inu's talents. This can be understood in the context of there were only about 1.5-3 trillion tokens exchanged the day prior. There has been an enormous surge in the number of substantial transactions, as this shows. Not only does this rise demonstrate the growing popularity of Shiba Inu, but it also suggests that major players are benefiting from the current price fluctuations, which is driving market momentum in general. Subsurface activity is rampant, and these whales are clearly shaping the future of Shiba Inu development. But what are your thoughts about that? Post a remark down below. Please share your thoughts with me. If you would want to know more, you may do so by clicking on one of the videos that are shown. As a result, the video comes to an end. If you like the video and would like to leave a comment, please do so in the comment area. This is really useful for the YouTube algorithm. In addition, we kindly request that you share this video with as many individuals as possible. We should let others know about this.